Listen up, man. Today, I want to talk about a hard truth, and it goes like this. If you do what's easy, your life will be hard. However, if you do what's hard, your life will be easy. And many men realize it's far too late in life. In this video, I'm going to break down two examples where this has proven true over and over again. And if you're new here, I'm just a regular guy who's a full-time firefighter who realized how important fitness was, not only to myself, but also those in my community, realizing if they had only taken better care of themselves, they would have been in a better position and we would have not responded to a lot of the calls that we went to. Let's get into it. One area where this has proven true, if you do what's easy and your life will be hard, is nutrition. Just think about it. When you don't have time to meal prep, so you tell yourself, you make the excuse. Then you say, I'm gonna just stop at this fast food spot. Maybe it's a 7-Eleven. Maybe it's a Quick Trip. Maybe Chick-fil-A, Wendy's, Five Guys, whatever. It's easy, it's convenient, you pay, they give you the food. And you do that over and over again because you don't have the time. So being that you don't have the time, you just go ahead and you outsource your health and your nutrition to someone else who makes it easy or convenient for you. Now let's think about it. It's easy, it's quick, you get your food. But how does the other half of the quote prove true? If you do what's easy, the other half states, then your life will be hard. Well, think about the compounding effect this has on an individual who opt out for fast food and that's what their diet is surrounded by. Processed food that's not even food. Years later down the line, then they realize, oh, I'm consuming these seed oils, processed food that's not even real, doesn't even decompose. Have you ever found the French fry in the bottom of your car 2 years later? It still looked like you just got the French fry. It don't even decompose. And you realize that after you spent years of eating this way, now you have excess body fat and certain chemicals in these foods have been linked to certain diseases, to cancer, to Alzheimer's, and more. See, but it was easy in the beginning, but it ended up being hard afterward. Let's think about another area this proves true. If you do what's easy, skip your workouts, skipping prioritizing your health and fitness, then your life will be hard. Think about it. It's easy to say, oh, I worked 60 hours this week, and that may be true. It's easy to say, I need to sit down, I deserve to watch the football game, the baseball game, whatever. It may be true, you work hard. But once you skip your workouts, think about the compounding effect on that. It's easy to do so, just to skip your workouts. But the other half of the quote states that your life will be hard. If you don't prioritize your wellness, rest assured you will prioritize your illness. Because now you realize instead of working out and getting better, now you have certain health challenges that compound it. You're not as mobile, your testosterone is low, you don't even have energy because you neglected your fitness, because it was easy in the moment. Today's a great example. Today's Monday. Everybody loves hitting chest. Why? Not only because they like it, I love hitting chest too, but it's because it's easy. Today is Monday. Let's start the top of the week with doing something hard. Legs. Yeah, hit legs. It's hard. Not everybody loves legs, especially men. But guess what? Through the pain, through the discomfort, you're gonna grow to love doing what's hard. And if you start prioritizing doing what's hard, my man, I can assure you that your life will become easy. Today's Monday, no excuses, no comfort. Don't choose easy, choose hard, get after it, let's crush it.